Guys, today's video is sponsored by the Coldest Water Company. They make the nicest cups. I've been using their stuff for the last 2-3 years. They even engrave stuff in the back. They have such cool giveaways. Check out all that magic in the notes. And if you want 10% off your order, use the code Kimono. It works and it's great. And I actually went and bought a Christmas gift. I just want to show you a quick little unboxing. My mom loved this 20-ounce tumbler, so I got her one in her favorite color, red. And I even got it engraved. And guys, I think this was like $38 out the door with the code. And this is something she's going to really like. She can tote her water around. It fits perfectly in a car console. 20 ounces, just to save you that, buying like waters or drinks when you're out and about. This is a way that you can save money, and I know she's going to love it. I showed her my cup in a FaceTime chat, and she was like, oh my God, I need one of those. So I thought this would make the perfect gift. If you guys are interested, check out the link in the notes and enter that giveaway. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you this deal a bunch of different ways. The first way is if you can't get out to the store on Saturday to use the 5 off of 25 in concert with it, we can try a different deal. Now, you're either going to grab the 6 packs of the Scott's paper towel, or there's 2 jumbo rolls also for $5.50. To let you guys know something, up here in the middle of rural Michigan, they are not stocking a lot of paper towel and Kleenex at the Dollar Generals. So it's kind of a harder product to find, believe it or not. That might sound kind of trivial, but I don't know. I know if you're living in a larger city, the supply chain's probably a lot closer, but maybe rural Michigan, they're just stocking the truck up with toilet paper, which makes a lot of sense. These are $5.50 each, so you're either getting the 2-pack or these 6 rolls, whatever your store might have, $5.50 a pop. The Kleenex is also $5, so the total for this basket is $16 on the nose. And we have a 3 off of 15 instant savings, guys, along with the 2 off of 2 digital for the Scott, and then $1 digital for the Kleenex. So you're left with paying $10 out of pocket plus your tax for the 3 products, making it $3.33 each. Now, I bought some Scott's paper towel. I was lucky to find one over at Walgreens yesterday, and I think I was given like just under like 580 points for that, which was like 58 cents. So let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Kimberly-Clark is part of their catalog, so for both the Scott and the Kleenex, you will be getting a lot of points back for that. So photograph your receipt, send it off the app to get more points. I got 58 cents. You might get $1, making it an even better deal, but I know a lot of you probably can't head out right on that Saturday, so this is just a quick deal for you. Nice. So let's just add a couple other little things to the mix. So we're gonna have the 2 Scott's paper towel products, either the 6-pack or the 2 jumbos, whatever your store might have, $5.50 a pop, that's $11. We have our Kleenex for $5. So that adds a new total of 16. And let's throw in the Tide Simply Pods for $2.95. So your new subtotal is $18.95. Remember, you can do this all week long. It's not predicated by the Saturday. You can go in anytime, especially if your store might have small stock or something bizarre, or if you just can't head out on a Saturday. So the total for all of this magic is $18.95. We have a $3 automatic savings when you buy $15 of Scott's products. Boom, that's coming off. We have a 2 off of 2 for the Scott, $1 for the Kleenex, and a very generous $2 for the Tide Simply that's coming off. Your new total is $10.95. That doesn't include your tax, and it shakes out each product to $2.73 each. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app to get some extra points. So let's pretend now you can head out to your Dollar General on a Saturday, and you can find all these products. Here's a Saturday deal buying all of this. So again, Scott's paper products is $5.50 each. So for 2 of them, that's $11. Kleenex is $5 on the nose. The Tide Simply Pods is $2.95. And then just to be a bit fancy, we're gonna throw in this guy, which is the Gain Flings for $13.50. This entire basket, guys, is $32.45. Now we have $3 of automatic savings when you buy 15 of the Scott Kimberly-Clark products, right? Plus we also have a 5 off of 25 coming off. That's $8 of instant savings. And then we also have $8 of digital manufacturers that include a 2 off of 2 for the Scott, $1 for the Kleenex, a $2 for the Tide Simply, and then a $3 for Mr. Gain Flings. You're paying $16.45 out of pocket for the 5 items, basically shaking out each product to $3.29 each. This is meat and potatoes kind of stuff that you need in your house during the cold winter months if you might get snowed in, or you know, if you might just run out of this stuff. I mean, it's stuff that won't expire and it's just great for your stockpile, and it's a very smart Saturday deal. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.